Good morning, Pottery people. It's day 20 of the 365-day Pottery on the Wheel challenge. We are outside once again. It's 20 degrees. Thank God I have this epic coat. It's like a puffy coat wrapped in a Carhartt with a cat attached to the hood. Anyway, today we're going to finish up that large pottery bowl that we did yesterday. I'm going to trim it on the wheel. We're going to do it in time lapse so that it's just easier for you to watch. But I think it's going to be a pretty sweet bowl. So let's dive in.